All right, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to the channel. And on today's video, I'm going to show you with the free version of TradingView how you can set up a free indicator in TradingView. I'll show you how to set that up. This is all using the free version, so you don't have to pay doing TradingView. And then I'll also show you how to search for stocks, how I find them to see how they're going to fit with this indicator, which is a simple indicator to use. It's a buy and sell indicator. So let's get started. We're on TradingView. All you have to do for a free account is give them your email address, and then if you clicked on it, you'd be open up to this page. And so let's set up our chart. So we go to super charts here, and it will open up with something like this. And I've got a different indicator in here. I will get rid of it. Okay, so your chart will look something like this. It'll probably be white. I change it to black. And it probably wouldn't have these candles. I've already changed those. But anyways, we're going to go up here and click indicators. And then we'll simply just click on SMA 9/50-180. And it's this one right here by M. Phillips. So we just simply click on this one. And it pops up. We got this. Very nice. And I'll describe what all this is. So even if you're a beginner, you can follow lines. So we got trend lines, which we've got a bunch. We've got 4 of them. So the white one is a 180. The blue one is a 50. And this red one here is a 9. Those are all SMA, smoothing move averages, or depending on your brokerage, they'll just call it a moving average. And then the yellow one is EMA, and that's an EMA 20-day moving average. There is this, and as you can see, there's buy, sell. They're kind of hidden with this other extra buy, sell line. So these are my preferences that I like. You can go to settings, and I just get rid of that by clicking on this buy, sell chart line. And for me, it looks a lot better. It cleans it up. You really don't need that extra line. And as you can see, we've got buy, sell indicators here. And you can tell I've been looking at Costco recently, put in a trade. I did pretty good. So, but that's not what this video is about. Also, so this is just, you get 2, when you got the free version of TradingView, you get 2 indicators. So you could actually put in another one. People like to look at the MACD. You could type in MACD or RSI or Stoch RSI, but you can have a subchart in there. Or you could have a chart up here. And as you can see, this is usually my setup. I have this, and then I like to compare with the MACD. So after I'm done with this, I like to see what stocks are maybe going to line up to this buy sell stuff, which is usually when the MACD crosses over or just before. So then I will have to open up a new trading view. Bear with me quickly. Yes, here we are. So you're back on this page. We go to products, screeners, and on to stocks. And so we'll get this. And so in here, we're going to click on this plus sign, and I'm going to type in, or I'm not going to type in, I'm going to go to market data, average volume. It's right on top, 30 days. Now click add filter. You got to click on it again to give it something. I'll click on manual setup, and I like average volume of 1 million. I like liquidity. And what I mean by liquidity is I want to be able to buy easily and sell the stock easily. Then I'll click on the plus sign to add another new filter, and that will be MACD. I'll click on that, and I'll just click add. I'll click on it again to make just a little changes. Level crosses up signal is what I'm looking for. We're down to 243. I'll click on add another filter, SMA, and I'll click that one. It's on 50. I want 200, and I'll click add filter. Then I will go back, and below price 0 to 10%, below the price 0 to 10%, we're down to 30. And then I will do another SMA on here, and I will do the 9. I'll click on it again and do below the price 0 to 10%. And I will go back on the SMA 9 and I will click manual setup below the price 0 to 3% and apply. And here we go. So I got a nice 13. These are stocks that should be technically on their way going up. We'll see how this did. We got MasterCard here. I'll click on the super chart real quick just to see how we did. And it's not giving me my setup perfectly. It's giving me a different setup again. Sorry. It's giving me this one. Well, that's not nice of it. I'll just click this back in there again. We don't have a buy signal yet, so this would be one to look up. And I'll type in MACD just to get this back on here. As you can see, we got a nice swing trade setup here. It's gone down. It's starting to come back up. And so, that's how it works. So it's basically, this would be one I put on my watch list to see. And, we got the nice SMA 180 line is trending upward. I know I search under 200, 180 there. If you put them side by side chart, you wouldn't tell the difference. It's all the same. So, yep, then that's it. So I will put up my, what I had, because this is the Saturday before Easter. So it's the 19th, April 19th, 2025. So this is a nice list to go over. Gives you a nice list to look at so you don't have what S&P 500 to look at, or 10,000. I think it started at 10,000. So it gives you a nice list to look at, go over, look at what you can put your own indicators in. So yeah, so nice short video. I hope you found this information useful. Remember, this is not financial advice whatsoever. And if you did find this useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and we will see you on the next video.